Hey guys, I want to test out that separator ammo. There's a can down there. Wow. Huh. Holy shit. I watched a demo last night and yeah, it don't disappoint. There's one, two, there's two pieces of fragments. Oh, there's three. 1, 2, 3 fragments right there. 1, 2, 3. I mean, wow, that's a hell of a round. And it should have come out the back. I mean, it would be a nasty round to get shot with. That's for damn sure. Huh. Later, guys. Just had to try out that round. I don't know what I'm going to do with all my stuff. I got to get this cleaned up where the barn was. I've been burning a lot of it, but I got things to put away. It's a mess. Later.